And welcome back, everyone. Temperatures today made it back near 50 in much of West Tennessee, at least mid to upper 40s till low 50s in much of our area. That's really where we should be this time in January, even a few degrees above our normal high temperatures. But it was a cold start this morning as our temperatures dropped into the 20s earlier today. And looks like we'll probably stay in the 30s here overnight, or at least upper 20s to low 30s by early tomorrow morning. But I think we're still going to see temperatures very close to 60 here the next couple of days. May get a little windy, though, by the time we get to Friday and our next chance of rain moves in over the weekend. Here's our temperatures for this evening. Then we'll have clear skies out there. We'll drop back to 41 by 7 o'clock, 37 by 9 o'clock, and then back to 35 degrees around 11 o'clock with winds out of the southwest at under 5 miles per hour. So what else can we expect to see here the next couple of days? Well, not quite as cool as temperatures get in the upper 50s and low 60s with lots of sunshine in the forecast on our Thursday. Still being mostly sunny on Friday as temperatures will be mild, probably close to 60 and maybe into the low 60s in some areas, but maybe just a little more breezy. Those winds could pick up a little bit as we head into the day Friday. Our next weather system comes in on Saturday, brings at least periods of rain on Saturday, but looks like it'll pretty much clear out of here by Sunday. And right now, Sunday looking pretty good. Dry weather and sunshine returns as we end the weekend. And then by early next week, it looks like temperatures will get maybe closer to normal, getting back in the upper 40s or low 50s, but still very pleasant as we end January and get ready for the new month of February here in just a week or so. But taking a look at our temperatures outside right now, we have clear skies, 42 already here in Jackson. Our winds out of the north at 10 to 11 miles per hour, producing a little bit of a wind chill. Our current wind chill feeling more like 36 across our area. If you look across the state of Tennessee, then seeing temperatures basically in the upper 30s and low to mid 40s across much of the state. 45 degrees in Chattanooga, 33 degrees in extreme northeast Tennessee and Bristol at 33 degrees. Knoxville at 39. Memphis, clear skies 48, 41 in Union City, and 46 degrees in Savannah. Take a look at our temperatures in and around many hometowns overnight tonight. Upper 20s and low 30s by early tomorrow morning. So not quite as cold as we were this morning, and really about where we should be for this time in January. We'll look for a low of 31 in Dyersburg, 29 degrees here in Jackson. We'll go for 31 in Lexington, 28 degrees in Paris, and 29 degrees by tomorrow morning with mainly clear skies around Martinville. Look at the nice warmth we get into in the afternoon hours of our Thursday. Upper 50s, close to 60 in much of West Tennessee. So looking like a much nicer day out there as temperatures will be about 10 degrees above our normal high. We'll go for a high of 58 up in Union City, 59 degrees here in Jackson, 57 in Paris, and 58 degrees in Savannah. Again, sunny, and again, not quite as cool either. Winds out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, our surface map as we get to your Thursday does show that enjoying that weather across our area. Some milder weather coming back to West Tennessee, that's for sure, as the sunshine will be out there. But some windier weather is off to our west. That's going to bring some winds back to our area on Friday. It's still going to be mild, though. Temperature-wise, will be very close to 60. If not into the 60s. We watch our next system, which is on the west coast of the United States right now, as it moves across the United States and gets to our area on Saturday. That does bring some rain chances and then maybe just slightly cooler weather returning as we end the weekend and get ready for early next week. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast brought to you by Marks Roofing Company. We'll go for upper 50s to near 60 on Thursday and Friday. Again, with partly to mostly sunny skies around. Here comes that chance of rain on Saturday with the rain around and a few clouds. Temperatures probably staying in the mid 50s. We'll go for 54. A beautiful day on Sunday, though. Lots of sunshine, 57. Our high temperature, again, slightly cooler next week. We do make it back to the near 50 on Monday. Upper 40s by Tuesday, but then by the last day of January on Wednesday, we do see temperatures once again back into the mid 50s. Overnight lows may dip into the 30s and low 20s early next week, but overall, next 7 days as we end January, actually looking very nice across West Tennessee. Temperature-wise, you can't complain being 10 to maybe even 15 degrees above our normal highs, but there are some signs in our computer models, at least longer range computer models, that we could be seeing a cold start to February across our area. Something to keep an eye on for sure, but looking good here next 7 days. But something just keep an eye on. We may see some colder temperatures returning early or late parts of next week.
But how cold are you thinking?
Well, right now, looking 30s for highs is what it's looking like if it gets this cold and gets down here this far. But definitely a lot to still look into, but something to kind of keep an eye on anyway. And of course, if that happens, and any type of precipitation that comes along with that would be of the frozen type, of course. Yeah. So again, we're still 10 to 15 days away from that, but still just something to keep an eye on for.
Turn the heat back up just a little bit.
But not next couple of days when temperature's close to 60. Get out and enjoy that.
Thanks, Chris.
Stay with us. We'll be right back after this.